people don't like the word competitor, and generally speaking, it's worth noting that downgrading or running down your competition in your marketing is not a good idea. So it's not good. Usually, it's not considered effective to name the competition and say why you're better than them. So this is more for internal use, but it is important for you commercially to help your customer understand how you are different. Whether or not you can see that as kneecapping your competition, it's about differentiation in the end. What special value do you have that you can bring to your customer? So, the way to work is that we note a competitor or a product. This should say technical and further education or TAFE institutes. That's a competition for us. We train the providers, so are they. Okay? What is their strength compared to us? First question. Well, they're big, so they can absorb costs that we can't. They have accounting departments and all sorts of stuff that we don't as a small business. Their weakness, same thing. They're large. Because of that, they're really slow and sluggish. Our strength compared to them, it's sort of asking the same question but in a slightly different way. It can be useful to do that. Our strength, we're small, because we're small, we're innovative, nimble, flexible, we can change very quickly. Our weakness compared to them, cash. We don't have any cash. They can absorb costs, they're bureaucrats, they can just sit and, blah, blah, blah. Then I get in my helicopter. Remember pattern recognition? I look at this. I look at these four answers to this question, the question of competition, and I ask myself, what can I do? How can we compete? And in the end, with my business, we don't compete, we partner with them. Yeah? So we can actually leverage their strengths and add value through our weaknesses. Their weaknesses. Leverage their strengths and make use of our strengths. Okay? What are we doing? Practically speaking, build a register of the business development managers, which are the people that hire at companies like us in the TAFE system. So that's very practical, right? I can start a database or an Excel sheet with the name and the phone number and the email address of each of these business development managers and each of the TAFE institutes in the state as a way of starting my marketing effort to collaborate with them rather than compete with them. See how it works? Yeah, that's the only example like that. So, let's do a dry run of this just for would somebody like to be the guinea pig for this?
I'll be busy.
Who's competing with you?
We would probably compete with things like BW and Kmart.
So large chain suppliers?
Large chain suppliers, yeah.
What is their strength compared to yours?
They're big, they have money.
They have money, they can market, they're in a lot of platforms and
They have all the
presence.
resources.
Their weakness?
They're big and math-made stuff, so everybody has it.
One size fits all, conformity, uniformity.
Same design, same everything.
Okay, your strength compared to that?
Is we're little, unique, different, better quality.
Better quality, authentic,
Yeah,
real.
authentic, real, yeah.
Australian.
Australian, we have a story behind it.
Your weakness compared to that?
Money.
Very common. This one.
Yeah.
Let's help them out. What can they do given that set of circumstances? Very similar to mine. In fact.
Brand and weakness. Brand and weakness, make that part of the brand.
Yeah.
So that's a bespoke product rather than a cookie cutter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's a branding action in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
That might be like drilling down, and you'll find me saying this again as we get into the action part. It's much better to say, it's not as effective to say, do some branding as create a focused social media campaign by June 2014. See the difference? So that might be, in fact, that might be what you do. Because you don't have much money, but you might have the hours, or your family, in your case, might have the hours to put some time into social media. You consult with somebody who's a bloody expert, and off you go.
Yeah.
There's a specific action.
Yeah.
See how it works? Yeah? Have a go. This can be a competing business, or it can be a competing product. It can be a very specific product that you're actually